Let's celebrate Mathura and Vrindavan Holi. Celebrate the Festival of Colors in its most authentic and exuberant form at the iconic destinations of Mathura and Vrindavan. The dates of Holi celebration in Mathura and Vrindavan. Holi festivities in Mathura and Vrindavan from March 17th to 26th. A prolonged jubilation differing from India's two-day event on March 24th and 25th. What's the buzz about Mathura Holi? Near Mathura, the timeless love story of Krishna and Radha blossomed. Krishna, envious of Radha's fairness, playfully splashed colors on her to harmonize their skin tones. He and his friends from Nangaon visited Radha's village Barsana for playful painting sessions. Over time, this incident evolved into the vibrant and lively tradition of Lakhmar Holi, types of Holi in Mathura and Vrindavan. Fulwali Holi at Banka Bihari Temple revolves around flowers. Lakhmar Holi, a unique way to celebrate Holi in Mathura with sticks. Huranga, the lesser-known Huranga festivities at Dauji Temple near Mathura, held a day after Holi, involve a peculiar ritual. Approved by the Government of India, established in the year 1994. Contact us. Like and subscribe.